This is by far the biggest log I think I have ever put on my mill. As you can see, my mill isn't that wide, so I'm gonna have to skin it and try and get some slabs out of it. It looks pretty squared there, so I'm probably gonna set it to where I skin it that way. If you look, it's real punky right there. The other side looks like it's got some good meat on it. So we're gonna try and get as much good stuff as we can out of here, because as you can see, it is spalting. So those are worm trails. We have all kinds of blackness going through there. So these should look really pretty. I don't know how deep that rock goes, and it's obviously gonna go into the next log because, well, that's where the cut is. So we will see. All right, there we go. We got her up. That's as high as my mill goes. So I'm gonna knock this hump off because when I turn it sideways, it's gonna make a difference. This is a cold start on a 3-year-old mill. All right, so we have quite a bit of color in here. That's where it starts getting punky right there. So look at how pretty that is. Still feels fairly, it's not as hard though. It is punky, yeah, it's punky. I can see it pushing down. That is pretty. That's good wood right here. Spider. All right, so it is beautiful on the outside, but it's soft and funky on the inside. That's rotten. That's good stuff right there, though. Look at that. So when we do get down to the good stuff, we can expect to see good stuff from this tree. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm gonna just keep going at this. I will be back with you guys when I get to a good log. Alright, so I managed to rotate it. And I made my first cut. I'm on my second right now, but look how beautiful this is. No punky wood so far. Let's see where it's looking at over here. It looks like we're gonna start getting some punk right about here. So this next cut should be really clean. I'm gonna give you guys some footage of this. So here we go. Look at that. It's beautiful red in there. Black spalting. Look at all that spalting. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. All right. I'm cutting these boards at 1 1/4 inches. I'm gonna go for another pass, my friends. So that's what we got before the last cut. That is gorgeous. Can you imagine that all smoothed out? Doesn't look like it's curly, but it's got other characteristics that are very desirable. So let's pull the slab off and see what we got here. Oh yeah, no rot yet. I don't think. Maybe there is. Board put up, we'll clean off the other side. Okay, everybody, before I make my decision, type in the live chat right now. Should I rotate it or should I make another cut? Because right here is starting to get rotten. But we have all this wood here and we can follow the same pattern. Look at that flame coming up from that ambrosia. And we got spalting here still. Look at that. So all this is good right here, but we don't know about underneath. So type in the comments, should I rotate it and start a new cut? Or should I do another slab? I'm doing another cut. Thanks for interacting with my channel, my friends. You are amazing. Everybody here in the live chat showed up to my premiere. You guys are awesome. So we're gonna make another cut. went too far. Ho, ho, ho. Yep, a little bit. So, still feels pretty solid. It's a little soft. I probably won't use this strip right here, but I'm happy. I don't expect I'll get much usable lumber out of this, seeing as how that dark line right there is rot. So just past the cant there is about as far as I can go. So I'm going to have pretty much a live edge piece. I'm going to skim it down level, have a live edge cap, and maybe one more piece after that. We'll see how it goes. So here we go, just to be expected. We got some dark color and some spalting in here, so let's make our next cut, 1.25 inches, and see how we're looking as far as the rot goes. I know we're gonna hit it. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So that dark stuff in the center there, those two little spikes coming up, those are where it starts rotting. You can see the holes in it. But all the rest is good. Got a beautiful knot with some figure in it. Look at that spalting. Oh, that is so cool looking. I'm going to take some more cuts just to try and keep as much of this design as I can. I love this. I love this striping going down it. That'd be beautiful. So I'm going to make another cut. I don't know how far up the rod's going to go. But let's do it. Some rot. Yep, that's the last cut for this one. Now we're going to see how many pieces we can get. I would say it's probably 7 inches, so we'll get some little material. But as you can see from the bottom there, it's going to be really dark with some spalting, so let's have fun with that. And we got one good board off that. So this is bad. The board I cut underneath it's obviously going to be bad. So the rest of this will be just firewood. Well, my friends, I would like to thank you for watching Homesteading Northern Michigan. I would like to thank each and every one of you that are in my chat right now that joined my premiere. You guys are absolutely amazing, and you have a blessed day. Peace.